giveaway? You think we should do the giveaway?
Hello? Do you think we should do a giveaway? Have they earned it? Do they deserve it? This month, guys, I think you definitely have deserved a giveaway. You guys have supported this channel incredibly this month. This is the biggest month I've had on the channel. More members than I've had since I've had the memberships. More views, definitely more views. And a lot of you guys really have helped support the channel, and I appreciate it. So let's get ready to do a giveaway. Watch your ears. Here comes some music. I have two items that I'm giving away this month. There are both CJRB knives provided to me by CJRB. So thanks to CJRB for making this possible. These giveaways, I like doing stuff for you guys, and when I can get stuff in and do it as a giveaway, that's great. I have a couple more items I'm planning on doing giveaways for, and we're gonna work our way into finding fun things to do as giveaways for everybody. So this month I'm doing a giveaway for the month of August. Today is the 5th. I'm sorry it's so late getting into it, but I've been busy. So we're doing two items. I'm doing a general giveaway for anyone that makes a comment. These are the rules for entry for this giveaway. What I'm giving away is the CJRB Myalia. You'll remember I tried to give this away. No one got in contact with me. If you're the person that won it, it's too late. You got to re-enter. So we're going to try and give it away again. Rules for this giveaway. 1, your comment is your entry. Just make a comment down below. It doesn't have to be anything special, but it's got to be clean. It can't be nasty, or I will block it and take it down. Second rule, you must be in the United States. Now, I'm not saying continental United States. I'm saying like Alaska and Hawaii. If you are overseas, I will do FPO AP. If you're overseas and you're in the military, I will do FPO AP. If you're active duty military stationed overseas, I know how that FPO AP stuff works. Doesn't cost me anything extra. It's just like sending it to San Diego or Virginia or something like that. So, third rule is 1 comment per person, please. I do filter it, but if it appears that you are trying to stack the deck in your favor by adding a bunch of comments, even though I do filter it, I will block you just out of general principle, because it's unfair to everyone if people spam the comment section on a giveaway. So that's just the rules. That's it. Don't have to be a member. I'd appreciate it if you were a member. You don't have to be a subscriber. I'd appreciate it if you're a subscriber. And you don't have to do anything special except just make a comment. So that's it. The CJRB Myalia. This is an awesome, awesome little knife. And it still has that aggressive factory edge on that AR-RPM 9. Small little knife. I did like this knife. The only issue I had with it, it just kept coming out of my pocket because I'm a very large guy, and the way this sat, I'd put it in my pocket. When I'd sit down, it would just come out of my pocket. That is the only reason this is not in my case. So that's that. Now for you guys that are paying members, I believe there are 25 people in the baseline and premium tiers. Those people are eligible. I'm sorry if you're in the Just Looking tier, it is specifically listed. The only thing that you get in the Just Looking tier is early access to the videos because you're just looking. So I am going to give this to those top 2 tiers. I'm gonna open it up instead of just premium tier. You 2 that are eligible for it, there's 25 of you guys. So you have a 1 in 25 chance of picking this up. This is the CJRB Krag with the carbon fiber overlaid G10. It is a very nice knife. I don't ever have a chance to carry it. I have so many knives that are so similar to it. Great knife, great action. It's nice. It's a good looking knife. This was an Amazon exclusive. They are currently not available. The second that they do become available, I'm going to start linking this one in my affiliate links that are down below. If you guys want to follow affiliate links, I'm going to put an affiliate link for this just in case you want to pick up one. And as soon as one of these becomes available, I'll start linking that. So guys, that's it. Just doing a giveaway. I hope you guys are having a good week. This is going to be double content. The video you guys are going to see today, I forget what it is, but there's a video that I shot that's going up today, so you're all going to get to see it. And so there'll be videos. I'm going to try to maintain 5 days a week because you guys are doing so much to support me. I may as well make the content available for you. I am trying to work out a way to get Elliot Williamson on a live feed where we can do it like an interview style so you guys can find out about Elliot. But yeah, guys, that's it for right now. I will see you in the next video. If you like them, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. Join things are in below, but we're not going to do that. This is a giveaway. You guys hear that every time. So I love you. I'll see you next time.